Jaws Jr. here for a follow-up video for our Saddle Mountain mini-series. This is a continuation of that, showing you what our dirty petrified wood is going to turn out after we get some of it cleaned up for you guys. A lot of you have requested to see how it looks like with it being cleaned, so here you go. And of course, Simon the Pug, he's out here helping us. He's actually sitting here supervising what we have cleaned up. Yes, he has to be part of this, part of it now. He's getting to like the camera better. Calcium deposit on that side, got to get cleaned up. This is probably the coolest piece that I've found so far. There's a little bit of sunshine. We're out here in the evening, so let me come out here. Bring us in the sunshine so we can bring it to pop. It's agatized. Still dirty. We'll give these a very good bath here soon. So there you go. As requested by many of you, there is a follow-up cleaning of some of our Saddle Mountain Petrified wood. It's some beautiful material. I'd like to thank the Mrs. Jaws Jr. for operating the pressure washer. Made it life a lot easier for me to getting this out to you, as well as an appearance by Simon the Pug, our supervisor. Life is not right without Simon. Well, there you have it. Some beautiful material that we collected up at Saddle Mountain, Washington. Now, what am I going to do with some of this? Well, as I told you up there, we're going to tumble a lot of it. I think some of these, this one might actually get cabbed and get cabbed in that direction. Some of the other ones, I think I will just go ahead and face the two ends and polish them. And of course, we'll be tumbling as many as that we can as well. And if you're interested, I'll bring you guys along. Just let me know. And as I start working on this material, I'll bring you guys along to show you what I'm doing so you can kind of see the end result. Hopefully I won't screw it up. I hate to screw up something this beautiful, you know that. So there you go. Just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine! working with some beautiful petrified wood from Saddle Mountain. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!